my name's Janelle and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be sharing my me-made wardrobe of summer. I shared a video very similar to this one last season and it was just so satisfying seeing everything I made during spring nicely on one rack. So I thought I would do the same for this season. I feel like I haven't made quite as many items this time around, A, because I was away for a lot of summer, and B, I actually found it really hard to find time to sew for myself around the Christmas period and didn't end up doing as much sewing as I would have liked. But nonetheless, I'm so happy with the items I have been able to make and I'm really excited to share them with you today. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. The first item I have to show you is this pinafore/overall style dress that I actually shared how to make in last week's video if you'd like to make one for yourself. It's basically just this really simple A-line shape dress with these really cute little tie-up straps and a little pocket at the front as well. And I've made this overall dress out of some lovely mustard stretch cord and I'm obsessed with the colour of it. I think it will be a great one for me to wear in the lead up to autumn here in Australia, and it's just so easy to just throw on over the top of a t-shirt, and yeah, it's just a really cute pinafore. The next two items I kind of made together. I had bought this outrageously loud fabric at the end of spring last year and had decided that I wanted to make Matt and I matching outfits. We actually wore these on Christmas Day and they were just so much fun to make. The fabric is this beautiful Hawaiian-ish styled floral design and I absolutely love it. And I love, of course, that kind of burnt orange colour. Matt's shirt is just a really simple men's shirt with a button up front and just these kind of like rolled up cuff sleeves. And the dress that I made to match is my hazel dress design, which I am currently working on the pattern to be available to buy. If you didn't already know, I'm actually in the process of making my designs into patterns that I will eventually sell. So that's really exciting and I'll definitely share more news on that soon. But this one is my hazel design, which is just a lovely simple dress that's perfect to wear with a t-shirt underneath or a long sleeve top during winter, but also is a really nice one to wear on its own during the warmer months. And I'm so happy with it. I made it kind of like a midi length, which I absolutely love that style on me. It was just really fun to wear this one over summer and to match with Matt occasionally. It's not the first time I've made Matt and I matching outfits. We actually have really similar taste in fabric and often he'll pick out a fabric and I'll want to make myself a matching dress as well. And luckily he doesn't mind matching with me too much, I don't think. So yeah, that was a lot of fun and I'm really happy with this beautiful summer dress. This next item is a little bit of a sneak preview as I have actually filmed the making process of this blouse and am sharing it very soon in an upcoming video. It is this adorable plaid blouse with these amazing sleeves. I've actually tried to replicate my thrift flip gingham blouse that I wear all the time. If you've watched some of my previous videos, then I think you'll know the one I'm talking about. It's the one with the really puffy sleeves that, yeah, I absolutely love. And I've tried to recreate the sleeves in this blouse by using a shirring technique, and I'm actually really happy with how it's turned out. So I'll be sharing how to make these sleeves in an upcoming video that will be out hopefully in a couple weeks time if I can get it finished. And again, think it'll be a great one to wear during autumn, and I'm really happy with it. This next item I have to share with you is one of my absolute favourite makes from this season, and that is my Lucy and Yak inspired jumpsuit / dungarees. I've actually shared a tutorial on how to make these for yourself, so if you're interested in that, I'll have that link down below as well so you can check it out. They have these really cute tie-up straps and 3 really spacious pockets on the front of it. Again, such an easy one just to throw on over a t-shirt and can even be worn with a jumper underneath during winter, which I'm really excited about. And I made it out of this brick coloured cotton drill fabric, which is a really nice weight actually. It's quite heavy, but they're still light enough to be comfortable, if you know what I mean. And yeah, I'm absolutely in love with them. And I think they're going to be a staple in my wardrobe for a long time. And the next item I have to share is this little gathered crop. Again, I shared a tutorial on how to make this for yourself, and I think it's the perfect beginner's project. I made this one out of about 50 centimeters worth of this lovely caramel embroidered cotton fabric, a little bit of elastic, and it took me probably 20 minutes to make, I think. So it's a super easy project, but I think it's absolutely adorable, and I love pairing it with a high-waisted gathered skirt. I just think that looks so cute, and it was a really nice one to wear on those really hot summer days. And last but not least, I have one of my all-time favorite makes to share with you, and that is this floral dress of dreams. I made this dress out of the loveliest rayon fabric with this beautiful tiny little floral print, and I'm in love with it. I absolutely love the deep V neck, and there are, no joke, 15 buttons along the front, which needless to say took me such a long time to sew on, but I think it's totally worth it. It just adds a really nice detail to an already absolutely stunning dress. And this dress also has these adorable puffy sleeves, which again I'll be sharing how to make in my upcoming sleeve video, so stay tuned for that. I'm so happy to have this dress as a part of my wardrobe, and I think it's going to be one I'll be wearing for many years to come, and I hope it stays warm for a little bit longer so I can really make the most of wearing this absolutely beautiful dress. Every single one of these items that I made are my own self-drafted designs, apart from the last dress that I showed, which I actually made using this pattern here, McCall's 7974, and I cannot recommend this pattern enough. It wasn't the easiest pattern I've ever made, but it definitely wasn't the hardest. So if you're up for the challenge, then I definitely recommend you check this one out. And I'm really looking forward to having a go at making this one again soon. So yeah, that's everything I made during the month of summer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to let me know in the comments below which one was your favourite make. I have to say mine are probably this floral dress here or the dungarees. I absolutely love them. I love everything I made, but particularly those two I'm absolutely obsessed with. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.